So just a quick video. Hood pins are installed. Actually just got finished installing these. Pretty simple install, especially when dealing with fiberglass. Only issue I ran into, pins are just a tad too long. Need to cut these down to about 3 inches maybe. Come with 7-inch, I believe, hood pins. But overall, pretty happy. Looks good. Um, Hood is fully installed. So I just want to make a quick video just as an update. And if anyone wants to know, these are Quik Latch hood pins. The model is QL50 series. Again, pretty simple install.